How to create conversion action in Google Ads. So if you guys would like to go ahead and create a conversion action in this video tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to do just that. Please watch until the end and let's get started. First, all we need to do is to go over on ads.google.com and enter their website. Basically, once you're there, go on over and log on to your Google Ads account. If you haven't created one already, go ahead and just tap on sign in or start now to create your account just like that. You're done, just go ahead and tap on the conversion section. Now, in order for us to locate where this is, all we need to do is to tap on the tools and settings or the wrench icon on the top section of your screen, and then under measurements, I want you to tap on conversion. Now, once you're under the conversion section, let's go ahead and create a new conversion action. Tap on the plus icon, new conversion action button, and then choose where you want to track the conversion, either your website, an app, phone calls, or you could also import from other applications. Next, I want you to go ahead and set up the conversion, the website conversion. Now, if you have selected website for this, you do need to go ahead and enter your website URL and then click on scan. Choose your conversion type, whether it's purchase, sign up, or etc., depending on your business, of course. And then name your conversion action. You could also go ahead and set up a value. And then lastly, you need to choose your counting method. Once you're done with all that, just tap on done. Lastly, I want you to go ahead and install the conversion tag. Now, after setting this all up, Google will give you a global site tag and an event snippet. I want you to go ahead and add that global site tag to all of the pages, if in the case that it is not already installed yet. Now, once that is done, add the event snippet to the page where the conversion happens, like a thank you page or a redirection page to another once an action is completed, and you're basically done. That's how you guys could easily create conversion actions in Google Ads. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and take care.